Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the great things about being a teacher and a coursebook writer is that it legitimizes my nosiness. It allows me to eavesdrop on other people's conversations without feeling as guilty as I might otherwise do. This morning I was having a coffee in a local cafe near where I live in North London, and I overheard a particularly entertaining conversation. There were two women, maybe in their 30s, and one of them said to the other, "No, it's great that you've decided to take up tango. You never know, you might meet a bloke in the tango class." To which her friend replied by snorting in derision, "Pwah," like this. And she then said, "Pwah, fat chance of that happening. There's twice as many women as there are men in the group. And anyway, half of the men are gay." If you say there's a fat chance of something happening, you basically mean there's no chance that it will happen. You really don't think it will ever happen. Or there's next to no chance of it happening. So, someone might say to you, for example, "Hey, look on the bright side. You might get a pay rise at Christmas." Pfft, fat chance of that happening. There's no way they'll ever offer us a pay rise. Maybe you might be looking for some money and a friend might suggest maybe you could try to talk to your parents. Do you think your parents might lend you some money? Pfft, fat chance. That's never going to happen. In the same way, maybe you might be waiting for an invite to a party or to an event, and people might say to you, maybe the invite will come through the post. Maybe they haven't emailed it to you. Fat chance of that happening. The strange thing about the expression fat chance is that actually it means there's even less chance of something happening than if there's a slim chance of something happening. If there's a slim chance of something happening, there's still a little bit of a chance that it might happen. You often hear it in news reports. They might say something like, "There's still a slim chance that people may be found alive after a terrible accident," for example. Or, I don't know why people worry so much about things like that. The chances of it happening are incredibly slim. So, bizarrely, a slim chance is bigger than a fat chance. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use fat chance of that happening.